Yo, what's good everybody? Back with another banger. Now today, we're gonna be doing a car prank on my friend. He's on the way right now. We're just planning to go to like the pool and stuff, but you know, we gotta get him with a little prank before we do. So, sign right here. Now I gotta like, be careful because like, he's gonna be driving all the way over here and then he's just gonna wait for me, so I have to like, go behind. And then, you know, just not let him see me. So, like I said, he's on the way. So, I'm just gonna wait for like 5 minutes, you know, he's gonna be here. And yeah. He's coming. Alright, prank starts now. Yep, that's definitely his car. Alright, let's see where he's gonna pull up. Wait. Did he just... That wasn't his car? God damn it. Oh, shoot, that's him. Oh god. Alright, prank officially starts. So this is how I'm gonna do this. Alright, let's see. Okay, it's this right there. Alright, got the last piece of tape. Yo, what's up, Walker?
Hey, baby.
Yo, pool or what?
Yes,
sir. So, how was camp today?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, pretty good. What y'all do today?
Bench.
Bench? Oh, shoot. How much can you bench?
2,568.
Stop the cap.
Oh, okay, okay. You know, I can bench, you know, 1,027,000.
Nah,
No cap.
Yeah.
Probably like 120.
120?
Yeah.
Bro, not even.
You're 120.
Bro, my actual max is way more than that.
Oh,
It's like
130. I get it.
No! Oh my god, it's 170. Get that right, man.
170.
This man. You never been here before?
Like this road, I've never been.
Oh, I've been here like almost every day. Every time I go out, at least.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Now look, we'll go.
Bro, I don't even know what that is.
That's a park, bud.
Oh wait, I think I've been there.
Yeah, duh.
We went there for like Quest. Like
What?
7th grade.
Quest?
Yes.
Bro,
Only
for,
time I've been
for
there.
what for? Like butterflies?
Nah, we wrote books, read them to children, and we went to that park.
Fun fact about myself, every time I do this, I can see better. People don't believe me.
I don't believe that.
It's because I'm Asian. Got the Asian powers, you know? And then white people try it and they're like, it doesn't work. Because you're
It
white.
makes it harder to see.
Because you're white. That's just straight facts.
You're white.
Okay, maybe some Asians don't have that power, but I know some who do. But like, I'm just saying it works. If you're Asian, try it. Hey, pull up, guys. Pull up.
Pull up.
Quarter mile, turn right onto Walsh Ranch Boulevard.
We're already here. I mean, that's the school. Sorry. It sucks at Mario Kart.
Oh, we just passed it. Oh, god damn it. God damn it. Dude, I thought I swear there was another turn. God.
I'm gonna take a right.
Just U-turn. I don't know how. There's no one behind you.
I've never done a U-turn before. I'm not gonna do it now.
Oh my.
Okay, what the heck?
Oh, the poster. The poster's gone. Yo, you just yeeted it off. Oh. Okay, this is turning into a vlog then. Welcome to the day with Zacudo. Why, hello. Oh, thank you. Alright. Got the key card. It's all good. I have to tell you something. So, you know how I was back there when, like, you were at my house? Oh, were you not, like, paying attention?
Wait, I think, like, did we come?
I like, took a while when I was back there. Like, when you arrived to my house.
Yeah.
I was putting a poster behind your car. It said, honk for good luck. And I checked just now. It flew off.
Oh.
And I was wondering why no one honked. I was like, what?
Oh, shoot.
So I'm just turning this into like a normal vlog.
You didn't block the light.
Huh?
You didn't block the light.
Oh, I didn't like look at it. I just like...
No, like block it like, with the thing. Sorry.
Huh? Oh, I blocked it for sure.
No, with the.
No,
the
I blocked it with the poster.
Oh shoot, that's like illegal. Bro, good thing we didn't get pulled over.
Oops. Like I said, this is gonna be a vlog now, so it's just a day with me, Walker, you know.
That's so stupid. That's not even a prank.
Dude, it would have been a prank if my poster didn't fly off. I wonder where it flew off to. Or when did it fly off? I checked the tape. I checked the tape, and it seemed fine. And then like, I made sure I tape it twice, and then like it just, dang.
She used duct tape.
Like, sheesh, what a prank fail. Apparently there are like security guards outside, and don't know why.
You better get caught.
Well, we're gonna attempt to go in first, and then we'll see what happens. Oh, check me out, man.
Yeah, my cleats.
Your cleats?
Yeah.
Why you bring your cleats to the pool?
I left them.
Oh my god. Oh shoot, it's here. God. What the get? Me in. What the frick balls? Oh, let's go. That's clutch, baby. Let's see, got my football. Got my towel. Just gonna sit down real quick.
Wait, you gonna suntan?
Huh?
You gonna suntan?
Hell no. I'm dark enough. Wait, let me see. Show it to the camera. What the heck? Whoa! Oh my god.
I always wear my
horrible.
socks up here.
Look at mine. Mine are like clean. Anyways. I gotta put some sunscreen on, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, you got spray?
Yeah. Oh, it's cold! You know how when you're like little, and then your parents like sprayed on you, you would like hate the cold?
Yeah.
But now, it feels really good.
Have your pizza in your bag?
What? It's really hard to throw! What are you doing? What? 3, 2, go!
Wasn't recording.
Huh?
Wasn't recording.
What?
Wasn't recording.
No! No way! Shut up! No way!
Get pranked.
Hey, that wasn't very nice. Yo, we got a whole pool to ourselves. We got 2 actually. Look. We got this one and this guy. And we got this one too. And we got a little baby pool. Let's get it. Ah. Hey guys, pull up. Wait, what does it say?
It says Anna.
Anna?
Anna with an L.
Yeah. It says Anna L.
Like her first.
You can
name
learn
is
from us,
Anna,
kids.
her last name
Learn
is
from
L.
us.
2, 1.
No! Wait! Was that a catch?
I don't know.
Do we count that?
Check the tape.
Because I kind of saw you let go.
I did let go.
Okay, then we'll run that again.
No. Check the tape.
Alright then. Ready, set, go. That is what you call money, baby. Let's go!
You see that?
Yeah, I saw that.
Why do you see for next year?
Huh? Okay. Hey, yo, Vista, turn this man into a wide receiver, man.
But I guess I have to.
Bada boom, bada bing. When I walk up on the scene, look at me, just a shine on the block with a team. All the ice on the wrist, burr when they gleam. Okay, wait. Bada boom.
Are you really using my towel?
Yeah.
Bro.
You think I'm gonna grab mine out?
Where is yours?
In the bag.
It's right there.
That's far away.
What? Come on.
500. 501. 502.
Oh,
didn't
new
see you
record. Yeah, the cameras just weren't on, you know? Power!
Hey, this is my city. If you ain't with me, then you ain't with me now, bitch. F-150. Pick up the money cause I can afford it. Don't say shit.
Alright, we're gonna play some football for a little bit. I'm gonna practice my punts, and yeah, let's get to it.
What? Oh, shake it, drop it. Tambourine. 23A, run it up. Sharp on.
That hurt. Ow, my toe. God. Oh, look at these cleats. These aren't mine.
Oh, that looks so weird on you.
These are size 13s. God damn. Alright.
13's not even that big.
For me, it is.
On the beat, I cut it up. First on the track, no runner up. R plus O plus B, sum it up. Fiend for the fame, so I dance on TikTok. Keeping it fresh, so they calling me Ziploc. Please sing along, but this ain't no kids. Bought wristwatch, bust down. Bada boom, bada bing. When I walk up on the scene, look at me.
Still working on my punts though. I'll get there soon. Alright, we're back at the pool. Just gonna chill here for a little bit more, and then we're gonna we might head to Target, you know?
We better head out.
Might, but it's so hot. I'm just gonna go back, swim some more. Alright, you wanna see who can breathe under the water the longest? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Oh, don't tell me he's done already. You're done already?
Yeah.
Wow. Gosh. Alright, so you got 18 seconds. That was trash. That was pretty bad. Alright, my turn.
Gonna get that time. I'm gonna hurt him and see if he got legs. So he's at like 10 seconds right now, pretty much. Yeah, that's about right. So you got 16 seconds when he comes up. 16 seconds.
No way! No, it's wrong!
Yes!
No! I thought that was longer! That must have been.
It feels longer under.
Oh my god! No way! I could have gone under, but I was like, I think I beat him already. Oh yes! Oh, we need to go. All right, second round. All right, second round about to commence. 3, 2, 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Oh. Getting there. Oh!
I didn't
Hey,
even know.
you got 30 seconds though.
Easy.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, shit. I'm gonna touch his hand. Alright. He's at like 5 seconds. And slightly over the water. He's got his ears in the He's letting bubbles out. 15 seconds.
How long was that?
17.
What?
What?
No, you're kidding, right?
No.
Let me see.
Alright, so I looked at the footage. Freaking liar.
You freaking lied. I got like 30 seconds. So I think, to be fair, I beat you.
I need to look at the other footage. Alright, we got round 3, the finale. Alright, you ready? You're not ready? Alright, I'm back.
I'm ready. I said I was ready.
I swear you did. I didn't hear you. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23 seconds! Congrats! I bet you're about to lose now. Let's go.
Nah, you're gonna lose this.
Nah. This how I'm counting my head. I'm counting my head.
Ready for round 3. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 3, 7, 4, 5, 9, 10, 1, 0, 3, 2, 4, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9.
Alright, I beat your time. I definitely beat your time.
What'd you do in your head?
Huh?
What'd you do in your head?
I stopped counting like after 30. But then I tried so hard not to laugh. Shoot.
Could you hear
That
me?
was so
Could you
weird.
hear me
I
counting out?
heard you loud and clear.
Yes, I was trying to mess you up.
But you didn't, so. it's all
Well,
good.
you only got 20 according to the tapes.
Well, too bad. I won. Haha.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Bro, the tape, no. The paper just flew off. Dang. There goes my Warriors poster. Alright, so we're heading back to the house to return the card, and then Walmart it is.
Walmart.
Yeah. Here's your card. Thank you very much.
Let me see you shake some.
Alright, so we're at Walmart now. Alright, so where are we going first?
Fun section.
The fun section? Alright.
Freaking, it's expensive here.
What?
It's not like the other one.
Dang. The other one was like 40.
No, Animal Crossing was 30 at the other one.
Oh gosh. Hey Walker, quick challenge. If I beat you in a game of rock, paper, scissors, you gotta buy me a bottle of water. If you win, I buy you a bottle of water.
Okay.
Alright, bet? 3 rounds, alright?
Out of 3.
Out of 3. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, that's one.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Come!
I legit suck. I just suck.
I played the same move twice.
Like, what? I didn't expect you to.
Yo, it was a Barbie.
Ken.
Trying to get some for yourself?
I might have to copy it.
Ooh, bet.
The head? Oh, yes, sir.
Yo, you get Anna, I'll get Elsa.
Oh, we got the hair.
Ooh. Yo, actually? Wait, how much is it?
It's 11 for on.
What?
20 for else.
What? How's that fair? Oh.
Not fair.
Yo, Beyblades? Oh, shoot.
Beyblade.
Yo. Want to go for a round?
Yes.
Look at this poor Spider-Man. We'll get you out of here. Today's is SpongeBob's birthday, so happy birthday to him. You want to say happy birthday?
Yes. I love you, SpongeBob.
We love you, SpongeBob.
Literally watching an episode this morning.
Yo, I've been playing your game.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
I already beat it.
Well, I did too. I beat it before you.
Yeah, but I beat it better.
How's that possible? Oh, show me some moves. Oh.
Oh shoot. Good legs.
Ah.
Hey, score.
Hey.
Sir. We're gonna get kicked out.
Yeah, we're definitely getting kicked. Oh, I saw that. Yo, but for real, should we cop this?
Yeah.
Alright, I call blue.
Alright. You owe me this.
Huh?
You owe me this.
Oh, I don't owe you the water?
I mean, I want that too.
It's either the noodle or the water.
Noodle.
No, it's the noodle or the water. If I get you the noodle, like the water is cut off.
Noodle.
Alright, noodle. Alright, noodle. Huh?
I'll just buy my own water.
Alright.
Yo, let's go.
Wait a minute. Whoa. Okay. Wait. How much is it? Hold this? How much is this?
788.
Should I?
Yeah.
Let me see this. It's a medium.
Oh, they got sizes all the way down.
Oh.
Oh wait, that's a medium?
Yeah, this is a medium.
Okay, then they got a large. Get a large.
Full clothes for my life.
No one can.
This is not my job, you know.
Exactly.
I should never do this, Mom. I'm kidding. Chill out. Oh, this looks great.
Ooh.
Wait a minute. Okay. Alright, that's a cup then. Let me.
SpongeBob movie?
Ooh. Oh my gosh. I would get this, but like, I'm not trying to spend too much money. You should get it.
No.
No.
I mean, I would, but like, it's white.
It's white.
No racism. I'm talking about the color. Why that's racist? No racism on, I mean, the shirt.
Not sponsored. Wait, there's some like Rosa or something.
Rose.
Yeah, Rose.
Where's the good one?
Oh, is that not birthday cake?
Honk.
Oh, rainbow unicorn. Let's see this. Sour heads.
Sour head.
What are you again?
Rainbow unicorn.
Okay. We're gonna have our own bank commercial.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All
Yeah.
right. Sour heads it is. Let's get it. Hikey, the best second Gatorade.
No, it's not.
It really is.
Probably the worst right there.
No, it is not.
Yeah,
The
it is.
worst one's like yellow.
No, it's not.
Yes.
You're so wrong.
No, I am so right.
You're very wrong.
How do you think yellow is better than red?
Just is. Red
No.
tastes bad. It's like, makes me want to throw up whenever I drink it.
Yellow tastes like piss.
No, it doesn't.
It does, actually. So,
Yellow tastes like lemons sometimes, not all the time though.
yeah, exactly. Not all the time. Sometimes
Yeah,
it tastes like piss.
Sometimes it tastes weird.
Exactly. You just proved my point.
No, but red tastes bad all the time.
No. This guy just has no taste. Yo, only 310.
Hey, do I do it?
Can you do it? Dude, do it.
Yeah, I'll do it. That's all it is.
Okay.
I don't have that much money.
Being a good guy. Alright, let's see. So we got the bang. Got the noodle.
Yeah.
Last but not least, best shirt I've ever seen.
You gonna do it? I doubt it. He's not that nice.
What do you mean? Dude. Let's see.
5.
5? No. Here's the secret pocket. $100. Come on out.
That's the wrong. That's the wrong one.
Then top.
Yeah, the top one.
That's embarrassing.
Gives you no money back.
Cash is dispensed below the scanner.
We got a successful shopping session at Walmart.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna head home now, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Smash that like button, subscribe down below. Sign off, and peace.
Yeah. Hey, if I be you in a singing challenge, I get your car. You ready?
Yeah.
Flying to the moon.
Let me
No, I got your car.